Hi Facebook friends. Well, it's been a while since you heard from me about how I went with the 30 days to healthy living and beyond. Well, for starters, I really enjoyed the program, which most of you know I did to lose some weight and to help balance out some digestive issues. I'm happy to report that I lost just over 4 kilos. Well, actually, as overall I've been going longer than 30 days, I've actually lost more than 10. So for those of you who are interested, I'd also be happy to tell you more about my health reasons for doing the program. Some of them may resonate with you and give you the confidence to try something different that really does work. And for those of you who did the program with me already, I commend you. You all lost weight, some of you a lot of weight, and you've all noticed changes in your health, some of them very significant changes. So thank you for keeping me company. It was great to motivate each other. Well, the 30 Days to Healthy Living and Beyond uses these products from Arbonne. And now that I'm familiar with how it all works, I thought I'd tell you more about it. Well, it's a system of liquid nutrition where you have 2 smoothies a day and 1 regular meal that you prepare yourself. You also replace coffee and soft drinks with a detox tea and a healthy drink. And before you think, oh, I've seen those weight loss shakes before, let me talk you through this as it's very different. And this is real nutrition. It's vegan based, which means there's no milk or whey like most other programs, and no other animal products or allergens. Arbonne is based on a Swiss botanical formula, and it's been honing this formula for decades. It meets the highest European certification for being pure, safe and beneficial. And as I said, this is real nutrition, so it's not just for weight loss purposes. It really nourishes your body better than even the most health conscious of us can do. So in your 30-day pack is a greens balance, which provides exactly the right amount of fruit and veggies we need on a daily basis. There's a daily fibre balance, which gives us exactly the right amount of easy to absorb fibre we need to function optimally, and almost none of us get this amount of fibre in our diets. Then there are pre and probiotics for optimum gut health, and within the smoothie mixture itself are all the essential vitamins and minerals we need as well. Now this is science and nature applied to nutrition. The whole system is designed to cleanse at a cellular level, but gently and consistently, so it's easy to do. And while it's doing that, it's feeding your body optimum nutrition, as I say, better than even the most health conscious person can do. So the weight loss comes from your body naturally adjusting itself to a new state of health. In doing so, you'll also find that cravings disappear, so all the things that made losing weight so difficult are just gone. You're not hungry, and if in the beginning you mentally feel like having some extras, there are suggested snacks that you can easily make or buy to keep yourself on track. Now, I normally struggle on any health plan, but I haven't on this. I found it very easy, and I've heard the same thing from the rest of my team. Well, the most important part about this is the fact that it is liquid nutrition. If you do your research, you'll see that liquid nutrition has gained a lot of ground in health circles, mainly because it gives your body a rest. It demands a lot from your body to constantly process the food we put into it. If you can receive all your nutrients in liquid form for a period of time, first, it allows it to be taken up and absorbed the easiest, and second, it cuts down on all that processing it normally has to do. Now, I know people personally who have overturned even the most severe digestive problems. People with diabetes who have cut down and in some cases eliminated their medication. The same with high blood pressure, cholesterol and skin conditions. Well, the difference it makes to a whole array of very serious health conditions is remarkable. Well, as you can tell, I'm very enthusiastic about the Arbonne 30 Days to Healthy Living and Beyond. So, as I still have more weight to lose, and because I'm feeling so good physically, I'm going to continue with the program. My next 30 days is going to start soon, so if you would like to know more about how this could help you, and maybe join me to test it out, please get in touch. I'd be happy to discuss your health goals and answer any questions. And the support you receive, it won't just be from me either. You'll be connected to a private Facebook page which is monitored by nutritionists and other experienced consultants. All your recipes and tools are provided, and you can ask questions and share experiences if you want to. I really look forward to some company on my continuing journey and to supporting you with your health goals.